Springtime here in Michigan. You can hear the birds. It's really nice out. It's only 41 this morning, so it's a little chilly, but it's coming along. It's going to be a better day today. Now, Scout Crafter had a challenge where I was building birdhouses. Well, a birdhouse. And once I got started, I built a few more. That's an interesting concept. This is the first time I've had 3 cars drive down the road at the same time in a long time. Things are looking up. Well, anyway, Scout Crafter had us build birdhouses, and I built the first one, which was the old Sneelock's Workshop replica. Then I built 5 more, just because once the flywheel's up and running, it takes a while for the spin to run down. And I've got a lot of birdhouses in the yard already. There's one back there in the back tree that my son built years and years ago. And I thought it was funny that we've got birds going in and out of the houses all over the place. Not that one. That's a fountain that we have on the porch for in the summertime. It makes pleasant water sounds on the side porch. Nope. They didn't build in the fountain. They built on the chair. I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's gathered up sticks and grass and some chewed up leaves and building a nest on the chair. Makes me feel like I wasted my time making birdhouses.